we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate another milestone in your life as trainees who, after being called to the uniform service, will now finally reap the fruit of your labor. Your determination paid off. Having been recognized means you can now move on to the next level of your training. Had it not been for your determination, this activity will never be realized.
So, Trooper, are you ready? Ready, sir! Up! Up! Sinasabi natin, kunin yung slack. Dahan-dahan.
Progress, and working together is success. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jail Basic Recruit Course Class 2021-06 Kasalugan.
JBRC Class 2021-06 is composed of 200 strong men and able women who have been here for almost more than 2 months now. Your class is named Kasalugan. I think it came from Manilongo word meaning mapagkatiwalaan, or you can be trusted.
From now on, you will no longer move on the double time. Instead, you will march in normal pacing from one place to another, observing cadence and proper marching.
lungkot, pangungulila, gutom at iba pa. Buti na lang sa langit ay may biyaya, pero Mr. Yo, Miss Yo, magnahas ka muna.
BGMP dozen at Tiran's road run ang ating panimula at nagtatapos sa BGMP dance na may galak sa mukha.